Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Backbenchers Classroom. I hope you all are well. As I promised in my early video that I will show you how to prevent from heating issues in your computer, laptop or desktop. Okay, so guys, if you have not seen this video yet, please go and watch. Link is in description. This video will help you to determine hardware related consumptions. So guys, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. As well as you can find us by using this hashtag on the internet. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, first we will understand the causes of heating issue. Okay, first we will talk about the software related causes and then we will go for hardware related causes. Okay, so guys, here we have to track some information that will help to understand or identify the cause of problems. Okay guys, if your system is giving malfunction or your operating system has system file missing, then guys, this is the main reason for your heating issue, because operating system forces to your CPU to work. So guys, in this case I would recommend you, please keep updating your operating system on the internet. And guys, to prevent from file corruption, you have to use a good antivirus. And guys, I wouldn't recommend you to use any pirated software in your system. Okay, and now you have to track your hardware consumption by going to the task manager. So open the task manager. Now guys, monitor this consumption details. If you find any software that consuming more than usual, then you have to stop that software if you are not using the software. So right click on the software and click on and touch to stop that software. Okay, and then guys, go to the startup option and disable all the unnecessary software. It will not just help you to increase the computer performance, as well as it helps keep the CPU free. Now guys, you have to check if there is any operating system file missing issue or it has any malfunction. So guys, there are several ways to check operating system related issues. Okay, so open the CMD or command prompt in run as administrator mode. So open it, okay, and run it as administrative mode. Okay, after that you have to type the command called chkdsk and then you have to press on enter button. Okay, this command will help you to check your hard drive if there is any bad sector. Okay, so guys, this scanning has started. Wait until it gets finished. Now let's write the second command, which is sfc /scan now. Okay, now press the enter button to scan. This command will help you to scan the whole operating system. If there is any system file or operating system file got missing, it will automatically fix the issue. Okay, if your operating system has major issues, then this trick will not work. Guys, to perform this trick, you have to wait around 10 to 15 minutes according to your hardware specification. It will take time. Okay, as you can see guys, here is the result. After scanning, it didn't find any problems in my operating system. Okay guys, if the scan shows any error or unable to fix the error, then I would recommend you to format your system and install a fresh operating system in your computer. And guys, if the problem persists from software section, then 100% your problem will be solved. Okay, now guys, let's talk about hardware related issues. Okay, again open the task manager and track for this disk usage. Okay, if you find nothing over here, none software is consuming your disk usage, but it always showing high consumption, okay, then there is the problem in your hard disk or SSD. So I recommend you to please change your hard disk or your SSD to solve this issue. Okay, another reason is your thermal paste. This one is most vital and most important issue. As you know guys, CPU gets heated up when we run the computer. That's why it has a cooler fan on the top of the CPU. And for good thermal conduction, we have to use thermal paste. It will help to transfer the heat from CPU to cooler heatsink. And another reason is, if you are a laptop user, then check for the battery. If the battery gets old or gone bad, it will be the reason for your temperature issue. So guys, try all the method that I have shown here and keep your laptop or desktop clean from the dust. So guys, that's how you can prevent from your hardware or software related heating issues.